Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp account on two devices with the same number in just few simple steps. But before to begin this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for not missing any update in the future. And now, without further ado, let's dive into it. As you can see here, we have two devices. We have the main device where we created WhatsApp account, and we have the secondary device where we want to transfer our WhatsApp account, okay? First, go to your main device, then click on three dots. Then click on linked devices. Then click on linked device. Then go to your secondary device, then click on agree and continue. Then click on three dots. Then click on link as companion device. Then scan QR code. And as you can see here, our WhatsApp account has been transferred from the main device to the secondary device. And keep in mind that you can apply this method on 4 devices. And that means you can use WhatsApp on 4 devices with the same number, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video, bye bye.